everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Fitbit app. Now, the Fitbit app is a comprehensive tool for tracking your health and fitness data, whether it's a Fitbit device or just your smartphone. So the first thing you need to know is that you need to first of all download and install the Fitbit app. So you can get that from your Google Play Store or your Android or Apple App Store for iOS devices. Next, you search for Fitbit and then you install the app or you click on get. Once it's in, you have to create a login to your Fitbit account. So if you are new to Fitbit, you click on join Fitbit. Follow the on-screen prompt to create an account. You need to provide personal information like birth dates, height, weight, and sex for accurate tracking. Now, if you already have a Fitbit account, simply tap on login and enter your email and password. Now, if you want to set up your Fitbit device, if you have a Fitbit device like maybe a tracker or a smartwatch, you can simply tap at the top here and you can see for phone, for devices here. So you just click on add device and then follow the on-screen prompt. So the app will guide you through the setup process. So ensure your Fitbit device is charged and nearby. So once you're through with all this, next thing you can do, I want to show you how to navigate the Fitbit app. This is the Fitbit app. We have what we call today. Now this is your main dashboard where you can see your daily start at a glance. Then we have coach on the bottom here, coach. Now coach or discover, this tab offers guided workouts, mindful sessions, health programs and challenges. Some contents may require Fitbit Premium. So you can see them available for you. Gathering focus, personal workouts, how to sleep better, stress less, find your fitness, and so much more. You can see the instructors, the brand. So you can also scroll here to see more of them. You listen to them. They help. You want to see all, click on see all. So that's what the coach or the discover space is for. The next we have is a you at the bottom, you. So you, this tab contains your profile, your goals, your badges, your friends, and account settings. So this is your profile. This is for community. This is for record, for your goals, your health assessments. This is for actually your goals. You want to see all, click on see all. Your badges. You can see your badges here. And so much more. So that's what that's for. Now, how do you use the today tab? Let's go back to today. Now, here you can view your stats, like I said earlier. Displays the various stats showing your daily progress, such as the steps taken. This is for steps taken. Then it shows the distance covered here. This is for distance covered. It shows you the calories burned here. Then it shows you active zone minutes. It shows you heart rate, your sleep data if you wear a device to sleep. So this for sleep duration and stuff. The activity, exercise of the day, your steps, the distance, everything. Health, meditation, everything you need to know about yourself for that day. Okay. Now you can also customize it. You can customize the tiles that appear on your today tab and rearrange them to prioritize the stats more important to you. Just click for an edit or pencil icon on it here. Click on edit and then you can now customize it. You can decide to turn off sleep duration, toggle off anyone you do not want, and then the ones you want you can toggle them on. For example, I want what temperature I want, glucose I want, menstrual health, and stuff like that. So next we have the log activities, food, water, and more. So you can manually log in these stuffs. Let's save this first. This is for activity. You tap on it. You can manually put exercise days, duration, with distance, time zone, energy burn. You can add exercise. You can go to monthly and also edit it. You can edit all these activities. You are tapping on them and editing them. It's as simple as that. So next, you must be able to understand your data. You see, tapping on the sleep tile will show you your sleep stages, duration, and sleep score over time. You can also explore the graphs and charts and identify trends in your activity, sleep, heart rate, and other tracked metrics. You can also utilize the coach or discover tab to find workouts for mindfulness and stress management. You can use it to discover guided programs focused on areas like improving your sleep, healthy eating, or increasing activity levels. You can also use your You tab to update your personal information, to update your personal details, your goals like step goals, sleep goals, and notification preferences. You can also use this to manage your device. If you have a Fitbit device, access device specific settings such as setting alarm, customizing watch faces, and managing notification from your phone. You can also use the You for that. If you had already set it, connected it, you will see it there. Then the next thing you can do, you can also connect with friends who use Fitbit to share your progress and participate in challenges. That's why you have community, you have family, friends, groups, and feed. You can also view your badges to see the badges you've earned for reaching your milestones. These are the badges. You can see I haven't earned anything for today. Now, if you have a Fitbit device, the app will also sync your data wirelessly via Bluetooth. So ensure Bluetooth enable your phone and your device is nearby. The app usually syncs automatically when you open it. You can also manually initiate a sync by pulling down the Today tab. So by using these steps, you can effectively navigate and utilize the various features of the Fitbit app to track your health and fitness journey. Remember to explore each section of the app to discover all the available tools and insights. Hope you found this video helpful.